Okay, here we go. I'm gonna show you how to clean out your coffee maker. If it's working really slow, that's typically from hard water. It gets inside these little holes, and we're gonna clean it out with some vinegar. Just some regular vinegar. I found that a 50-50 mix is best. This is a 12-cup coffee maker, so we're gonna put 6 cups of vinegar. And I've got a little line right here. You can also just use your coffee pot. It's got lines on it. Fill it up the rest of the way. It's better to do this when the coffee pot is cool, not right after you make coffee. Maybe let it cool down a little bit. You're just going to leave the filter and everything out of it, turn it on, let it run through its cycle. It'll take a little bit, just like you're making a pot of coffee. Okay, it's almost finished. You just want to let it run through the full cycle and empty out everything that's inside the coffee maker. Let it run through. Sounds like it's all finished. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. I'm going to pour this in here because I'm going to save it. You can use that to do a little bit of cleaning. So now you just want to rinse this out with clean water. There should be a keeper under here so when you pour the water in, because it's still warm. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse it with one full coffee pot of fresh water. Let that run full cycle. So now you can use this vinegar, 50-50 vinegar water. You can clean the bathroom, the hard water stains in the bathroom. You can put it in your dishwasher to help clean the dishwasher, and also the hard water stains on your dishes and anywhere else you might have hard water stains. So we're going to let this run through, help clean it out, get the vinegar out of it. A little more than halfway there with the clean water. You just want to let it run full cycle. Once it's all finished, we're going to go ahead and run a half a pot through it. This is where personal preference comes in, because you can do the vinegar step 2 times if you want. If you think your coffee maker is really clogged with hard water deposits, you can do the fresh water as many times as you want to get the vinegar out. But once you dilute it a time or two, as long as you keep replacing the water, it's not going to hurt anything, but it may still have the vinegar aroma, which is fairly unpleasant. I'm going to turn it off in between. Go ahead and replace the water. Just going to do a half a pot this time. It's still hot from the previous trip. That's it. We'll let it go. We're pretty much done. We're going to let it go through and pour that water out, and we'll be ready to go for tomorrow morning's coffee.